I'm going to do number 37, 38, and 39 all in the same video because it's talking about the bow direction. So we're going to hold our bow correctly, as if you've been reading along in book 1, you know that your bow is held by the 2 middle fingers and your thumb on the underside. Maybe I can do that better. Your thumb should be bent and your fingers on the outside should just flop like bunny ears. Bunny ears just flop. They don't hold on. All right, so it's called the rosin wrap because we're learning the direction of the bows. So if you look in the book, in the yellow box, it talks about the down bow, which is this direction, and the up bow, which looks like a V, and that's this direction. So here's number 37, rosin wrap number 1. Now my rosin may not look like yours. Mine comes in a cloth wrap. The rosin actually sticks to the cloth. So I hold it by the cloth. I don't touch the rosin because it's really sticky. All right, so here we go. We're learning 2 things: the direction, down, up, and we're getting used to holding the bow. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, and down, rest, up, rest, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, rest, up, rest. And then you would repeat that. Here's 38. It's the same concept. We're learning how to hold the bow and we're learning downs and ups. So this is number 38. Start down here by the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, rest, up, down, rest, down, up, rest, rest, down, up, rest, rest. And then you would repeat that one. Now here's 39. Same concept, just different rhythms, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, rest, up, rest. Down, up, up. And then you would repeat that one as well.